Today we're going to Aldi, where the first thing we're going to do is borrow a shopping cart. So we put a quarter in, and when we return the cart, we'll get that quarter back. Aldi stands for Albrecht Discount Stores, and you may be surprised to know that this company actually bought Trader Joe's back in 1979. So this is a fun store. It's sort of a cousin to Trader Joe's in that they have a lot of interesting specialty items, dried fruits and nuts, as well as fresh produce. They have plenty of everyday items. And if you'd like to learn more about this fabulous store, I highly recommend Googling the name of the company, Albrecht, and you are in for a rabbit hole of information about the two brothers that took on this industry after their father started this store in Germany. Okay, enough of the history lesson. Let's head over to my favorite aisle, the red hot deals, the things you never know what you're going to find. I love this aisle. Sometimes I come to the store just to see what they have, and I am never disappointed. I always find something. And again, the prices are amazing, and these are items that you never would think that you would find. Well, you would not find them in say Trader Joe's, but Aldi has them, and it switches up, it changes every time you come to the store. It's something different. They have kids items, they have, as you can see, they have shoes, they have stuff for the backyard, they have camping equipment. I think I saw a barbecue over here. They just really have a ton of things. Now stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to show you what I picked up and how I used it. Oh, that's going to be something interesting. Stick around. I thought this was something really interesting, and I know it says that it's for making meatballs or hamburgers and putting them in a mold, but what a great idea to use this to freeze smaller portions for your family, or even baby food could go into those little meatball servings. See? Think outside the box. You never know. Well, here's something that caught my eye. So when you get ready to check out, they have a long tabletop that they encourage you to pack up your bags. When you put your cart back in, you get your quarter back. I love it. So that's Aldi. I was happy to be able to show you that store. I pop in, maybe every couple of months, and sometimes I'll go right before a holiday because they get some amazing cheese in. And if you're a cheese lover, Aldi is the spot. So I will show you what I picked up this time, and we're going to do a little demonstration for you. Not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to show you nonetheless. All right, so first of all, one of the things that I was looking at and I showed you in the footage was this box of macaron candles. They are so cute. And I picked it up thinking, well, I might just need a gift for someone. And then I decided I liked it so much that I kept it for myself. I opened it up and I said, these things smell so good. And this one is a lemon. It's so nice. If you've been following me, you know that I really do like candles a lot. And this is so pretty. And then what a cute little trinket box whenever the candle is, you can see I've already been burning the candles. So really cute. Or if you picked up a box of these, you could split it up and wrap this up in some pretty tissue paper and make it a lovely, this one is sea salt and vanilla. They make lovely gifts individually or the whole box. And this was caramel or caramel macaron. So really, And I believe this one was lemon cake. So I really like that. They smell delicious. And well, I just gifted myself this time. All right. So the other thing that I got, did I say I like candles? Oh my gosh. I got this one, and this one was $7, and I had seen a candle very much like this at Nordstrom. And so I smelled it. I said, oh, that smells good. And it's in such a beautiful container. They had about 3 different colors to pick from, but of course, this is my color. So, okay, yeah, I like candles. And I still have all my other candles that I've already purchased earlier in the year, but I do burn them. I love them. Okay, so the other thing that I purchased, and I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to see if it works. It's a pineapple slicer. And this pineapple slicer was like, I don't know, $3.99 or $4.99. It was less than $5. And I have been wanting one ever since I saw someone on one of the YouTube channels that I follow. They were using this, and then of course they had the pineapple left over at the end to put their tropical cocktail in. So we are going to try this today. So let's get started. Oh, this is ripe. This is how you know a pineapple is ripe, when the middle little leaves come out very easily, and these are coming out very easily. So that tells you this is ready to go. All right, I'm going to cut off. I'm actually going to a birthday party tonight, so I probably can use this as part of our birthday celebration. All right, so I've got that, and now it's where it's up to the 2. So, okay, so according to this, place the cutter on top of the pineapple. Twist the handle with a slight downward pressure until you reach the number marked in step 2. So I guess I better put this back in, otherwise I don't have a handle. All right, and then we're gonna start to twist. I don't know whether it's easier to twist the pineapple or twist the handle. Actually, I think it's easier to twist, well, both of them at the same time. It does appear to be moving right along. It's not that difficult to do. I don't think pineapple is that tough. All right, now I'm just now getting to the numbers. Hey, this is a workout. All right, I'm getting close to the number 2, and it actually, oh, look at it, it's kind of getting, I think I should have put some paper towels down. Yikes. All right, can you see that? I'm getting close to the number 2. So I'm going to stop. I think if you don't stop in time, then you go through the bottom. All right, and it does look like it's like sweating. So now the tricky part is to pull this whole thing out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, I should have put this on some, well, it's on my stainless steel scissors. Oh, shoot. I went too far. Shoot. Well, I did get a nice cored pineapple, but so much for using this as a drinking vessel. Shoot. Okay, we'll learn from my mistake. What should I have done? I should have stopped before I got to the 2. That's what I should have done. Good grief. Okay, now as I am reading the instructions further, it says, pull the pineapple core from the rind and then push both buttons simultaneously to remove the handle from the shaft. Carefully slide the cored pineapple off of the slicer. So clearly you cannot slide it down this way because this is here. You got to get it off somehow. Now I suppose you could cut it in half, but let's go back to what I was doing earlier, which is to push both of those little buttons in and take that off. And then I did wash my hands, by the way, because they were really sticky. Oh, okay. So that actually happened very easily. That was not difficult to do at all. I just wish I hadn't gone so far. And now look. Oh. Okay, I thought it was going to be like one of those slinky things, and it wasn't, obviously. Hey, thanks for joining me this week as I went over to Aldi and purchased a few new of their fun items. As far as the pineapple core slicer, they call it, but it does core also. As far as that goes, I think after I do it a couple of times, it will be easier. And it's not that this part is difficult. It was operator error in that I did not measure it properly, or I didn't stop soon enough, because as you can see, I hit the bottom. This is not good. That's okay. You can tell that I really tried this for the first time with you. But I think, like I said, if I practice a little bit, then I'll be able to do this. I've got some cleanup to do now. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a good 4th of July. That's kind of the time that this is going to be coming out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It tells the algorithms of YouTube that other people might enjoy it too. I'm kind of hunched over because I want you to see the pineapple mess I have going on here. I definitely need to do some cleanup. So I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you haven't, and take care. Bye-bye.